Hey guys, on today's show we're going to show you how to use Fix-A-Flat. Never used it before. Ought to be a good time. Here's the culprit. My lawnmower, and it's leaking bad, but I gotta cut this grass. This grass is crazy tall. Okay, gotta shake the can for 30 seconds. Vigorously. I take this little valve stem here and attach it to the schrader. Then you just push this button until the crap stops flowing through. Can't even see if it's moving. It's probably not even flowing. That was a good one. I'm gonna let a little air out. I think I had a little too much air in it already. Tried to fill it up earlier. Stupid tire. Ugh. I just want to cut the grass. I hate the grass. I hate you, grass. That should be good enough. Let's try this again. We're vigorously shaking. Can't even see in there to see if it quit moving. At least the kids are in the pool. Looks like some crap's coming out of the near the rim of the tire. I guess that's a good sign. So it's sealed there. Yeah, hopefully the frickin' crack will seal. At least the kids are in the pool. Of course the key's broke, so I have to jumper it. Well, it worked. Last time I cut the grass, this thing was laying on the ground, so hopefully it lasts me until I get me a new tire. So Fix-A-Flat actually works. First time I ever experienced it, and even though you shouldn't have pressure on the tire you start, because it's gonna blow up. Believe that. So thank you for watching again. See you next time. Subscribe to this channel, please, and make some comments, whatever. We'll see you next time.